Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I don't think I know how to do this anymore. I feel like it's been weeks since I've filmed where I'm actually showing myself on the camera. I just had no time to really put on makeup and to just really kind of take care of myself and have some me time. So it's been a while, but I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be doing this video for you guys. Okay, so before I get started, in case you are wondering about this eye look, this is really kind of inspired by my good friend Liz. Shout out to her. It's her birthday week, her birthday month, and in case you haven't seen the shorts video where I did a tutorial on graphic wing liners, definitely check it out. It's my tribute to Liz for her birthday because she loves makeup. She's a great artist and it shows in her makeup. So I did a colorful eye look. I know she's done something of this sort before, and so that's where I got the inspiration from. So just FYI, I pulled out my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Oh my gosh, I miss this palette. It's such a wearable, usable palette. Formula is amazing on this. I use these two here at the bottom as my transition shade. And then this is the only Hank and Henry makeup that I own. I got it in my Boxycharm box and I love this colorful palette. I hope to do like more of a full face Hank and Henry tutorial or just trying out his products because I've heard so many great things about the brand and I am just intrigued. I used the blue on this one right here. Super bright and bold. Wow, look at that. My Maddie Ziegler palette, which I've been using a lot this summer to do colorful looks. I used the mint green right here on the inner half of my eyelids, and then the blue was on the outer half. And then as a foundation, I used the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. This is a foundation that went viral on TikTok, and so I thought I would give it a try. I'll have a review up soon. In case you haven't watched all my other foundation reviews, I'll link it up here or in the description box. But yes, I have two shades because it was kind of like a buy one get one free deal, and so I use this as a contour and I use this as an overall foundation on the face. Let's go ahead and get started with the haul. It's a mini haul. I kind of took advantage of the sales here and there, and I'll try to remember where I got certain products, but basically one of the hauls that I did was from KL Polish. So here's the box, but I'll show a picture of it here. I did a video on swatching the new KL Polish Float On collection. It's a summer collection with all the colors, so I have them all on my hands with the exception of one more color. There's actually 6 colors, so if you want to watch that video, I have a review about KL Polish there. Oh my gosh, I apologize. I don't know what I was thinking. The brand is Light Slacker, not KL Polish. And also just swatching it on a medium skin tone. This is one of my favorite ones. Look at this green. I love the packaging. So watch that video in case you want to see all the colors up close. The other thing that I bought is from Kylie Cosmetics. There's something going on with this brand actually. I think Kylie is trying to reformulate or maybe come out with a new launch, but a lot of the Kylie Cosmetics are being on sale. She's probably gonna do something different, but in the meantime, her concealers were like $5 at Ulta. And normally they're like $18. If they are still on sale, I'll link them down below in the description. Color that I have is Oak, and it has that perfect pinky salmon shade that is perfect in my inner corner, so I love that. Went ham and bought some more colors. It's a lighter concealer. It's not heavy on the eyes. It's just enough to kind of hydrate and just take off that tired look out of your eyes. It's not a full coverage concealer. I would say it's a good medium. I've been loving the formula and the finish of it, and so perfect for an everyday kind of look. So got that. The next one is by Becca. Oh my gosh, this brand has been a long-term brand and a thriving brand at Sephora, and I don't really know why they're closing. Here's one color right there, and I love how they are magnetized. And look at that detail where it has the Becca name on it too. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they are magnetized as well. I got a bright color for the summer and kind of a nudish brown for the fall. So I love that. And I also saved one more lipstick for my giveaway. So as you know, I've reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Also, I'm right at that 1,000 mark on Instagram. I don't know if I'll lose followers or not, but I'm just so excited for reaching that milestone. And so I'm gonna have a major giveaway soon. I just haven't had the chance to really get all my stuff together. Next item is from Ulta, and I got the, okay, I'm just too lazy to get it, but I got this makeup headband and shower cap. Okay, so I came from a vacation, and sometimes I don't like to wash my hair, so I needed a shower cap backup. I love the design, and it came with this, the headband, which I use when I do my skincare. So I will be using this soon when I review my PMD cleansing tool. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to use this. It's super nice quality. I love the print, and like the ribbon is kind of poofy. Other thing that I got from Ulta is just a buffing sponge wand. This is so inexpensive, but I love how color coded it is. I already used it because obviously I did my nails. The purple is to file your nail edge, the blue is to smooth out your nails, teal is to remove ridges, and pink is to buff up your nails. So that's all of the colors right there. The rest of the haul is actually from my Boxycharm add-on. So it's not that much, but I still want to share it with you. This one is by Elemis White Flower Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. You know Elemis is a great brand. I'm just starting to get into it. I always try to look for a good makeup remover. I always use the Neutrogena one because it's so inexpensive, but when I saw this, it was totally on sale. Oh, look at that. There's like a separation between maybe the oil and the water, but oh my gosh, when I saw this, I had to get it. 6-phase eye makeup remover, and let's see how good it is at removing eye makeup. Like this one right here is by Giovanni. I got this in my Goldie box. It is definitely waterproof. I thought I would try more of the Honest Beauty, and Honest Beauty is definitely a clean brand. I mean, this is a brand that's owned by Jessica Alba, and I want to try more of her brand. She has a makeup line, but initially it started off as like diapers and healthy stuff for kids. It's a demi matte lip crayon. I have a review of her wing liner in this video right here, hypoallergenic eyeliners. I did the research for you guys, and hopefully you'll find something that you'll like. But yeah, let's check this out. I'm so excited for this. I love trying new makeup, new skincare for the first time. So it's a demi matte. Oh, I think I'm definitely gonna use this color. I'm gonna be using this all summer. Other thing is by Ciate, another brand that I really like. This is the Grapefruit and Vegan Burst Revitalizing Lip Oil. So I kept one for myself, but I'm gonna either give this to my daughter or put this in a giveaway. This one is so hydrating and nourishing on the lips, so I love that. The next item that I got is by Hans Skin right here. Hans Skin is K-Beauty. This one is an eye serum, so I can't wait to try it. It's a 5-in-1, 12-free eye serum. Oh, this is why I got it. It has a 360 eye massage applicator. And this is what it looks like, and oh my gosh, I love this. I cannot wait to try it. It has a 360 roller ball that kind of goes Yeah. Oh, let's see what it looks like. It's a clear product right there. It's right there. And then you just rub it around your eyes. Oh my gosh, it feels so cooling on the eyes. And I love that it has these 3 little balls. It's not just one big giant ball. It definitely is gonna massage your under eye. It's a hyaluronic acid serum, so it's gonna be very hydrating under the eyes. I think this is gonna be a new favorite for me. Next one is a Makeup Forever brow gel, and I got 2, and they are tinted brow gels. So I think, but they're in the color 00, so I have a feeling that this is a transparent one, which I like because I like to draw in my brows sometimes, and then I just need the clear brow gel. So let me open one for you. One of these I'm gonna keep, and the other one I am going to put in a giveaway. I have been collecting so many items for my 1K giveaway, so definitely stay tuned. And the last item in here are Jet Setter self-warming sleep mask, and they come in a pack of 5. So I never tried anything that is self-warming. So you tear a long perforation, remove the sleep mask from pouch. Sleep mask will begin to warm up when opened. Use immediately. And this is by Jet Setter. There's 1 mask per package. So I think I'm gonna keep a few and put some in a giveaway. There's gonna be different types of giveaway for my 1K. There's gonna be like a mask bundle, and definitely a makeup skincare variety bundle. So it'll just depend on how much I collect and how I break it down. There might be 2 to 3 winners in that giveaway. I cannot wait to use these. Little airplane there. I mean, this is something that we can definitely use, and I hope that we can all travel soon safely. And that is it, guys. That is everything for my haul, but I do want to show you a quick item I won in a giveaway. If you haven't heard of Faith's Life, she's a YouTuber here. She's a mommy YouTuber, shows her life, shows her decorating, cleaning inspirations. She collabed with the Super Clean brand. She was able to do a giveaway of the Super Clean brand, and naturally I entered because if you don't know, I am a mom. I do have a home to clean, and I usually turn to her channel, to Faith's channel, to see what she's doing and how I can get better at cleaning my home. I can't believe I won her giveaway. So I'm so excited that I got these. I've got the Super Clean degreaser from her, and I also won, oh my gosh, these are huge sizes, guys. I also won the Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner degreaser. So I think I got the spray kind and the aerosol kind, and I think they're the same one, but they're perfect for like your brakes, grills, oven, engines. Like, look at that, all of those stuff. Outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete. I mean, these are heavy duty stuff, and I like it that way. Thank you so much, Faith. I can't wait to try these products. That is it, guys. That's everything about my haul for this season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews and some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out. Join the family. Be on the lookout for a 1K giveaway here soon on my channel and on Instagram. Make sure to follow me there. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye, guys.